Hi guys, it's Mike and today I'm back for AAA Cards challenges and it's 161. The challenge is along the edge and the optional twist is dogs and cats. And I use the cats from Whimsy Stamps. There's also a dog set. And this is called Adopt Don't Shop Cats. But as I said, there's also Adopt Don't Shop Dogs, but it was sold out. So otherwise I would have gotten them both. And at first I wanted to make a landscape card, but then I miscalculated in my head the size. So I'm changing it to a portrait so I can put it on the bottom edge. And then the sentiment I chose is I was normal 2 cats ago, which is funny because it's true. There's many in there. Second-hand animals make first-class pets. Congratulations. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, purr, purr, purr. That's also funny, but I want to keep it clean and simple, so as empty as possible. There's also a happy birthday in there if you want it. From the whole kitten caboodle. That would be a double sentiment. Anyway, I'm stamping it with Versamagic Clear Nocturne ink, and then I'm going to color it with polychromos pencils. Our sponsor, by the way, is Crafty Scrappers, and I used their Digi-Stamp cats in challenge 156, so only 5 ago. But you can use whatever you want, of course. And yeah, that's about it. I'm using tape runner to adhere it later onto the card base and polychromos to color it. So I will just turn on the music, and hope you will join us at this challenge, and hope to see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.